Buy UL certified charger, much more safe, compatible all device. iPhone, iPad, iPod, tablet, Samsung Galaxy, HTC, LG, Huawei, Sony, Nokia, Bluetooth speaker, digital cameras, PDAs, PSP, GPS, Xbox, powerbanks and more USB device. Safe, durable and portable design. Rugged outer shell, not easy to break. Small in size, light in weight, compact and easily portable, no matter where, it is perfect. Security assurance approved for UL-FCC-CE certification. UL Listed E326703 Charger with IC chip inside is designed to identify fully charging with safety usage, protection against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. Charging stops when battery is full. Travel-friendly with global voltage compatibility, 100 volts to 240 volts, compact portable design, you can charge wherever you want. What you get: 3-pack USB wall charger, 30-day money-back guarantee, 12 months warranty. Reliable and friendly customer service. Durable design. Robust bright exterior resists wear, scuffing, and scratching. Premium internal components ensure perfect operation, even after being bumped around or dropped on the floor. Multi-protect. Fireproof materials, over-voltage protection, over-current protection, over-temp protection and short-circuit protection, offering the superior safety for you and your device. Travel ready. Super light and compact design, easy to take with when travel. 100 to 240 volts voltage, ideal travel partner to any country you like. 3-pack for convenient use. They all like it. Abosi charger own millions happy customers. We will always be here if you need us.